Want to create passive income online? Here are 12 passive income ideas you can start right now. Let's get started. Welcome, I'm Kyle. This channel is all about personal finance, business, and everything else relating to your money. So if you want to make more of it, listen up. Passive income is not what you think it is. We put too much emphasis on the passive part and are disappointed to find out that it's not that passive. Actually, for the first few months or even years, it's not passive at all. It's just like work. Well, it's exactly like work. If you can stomach this revelation, you would have filtered out 95% of your competitors who wrongly thought that passive income meant passive. Passive income is when you do 90% of the work right now instead of doing it over a few decades. The online world has opened up an opportunity for passive income. It has made it easier for the average person to achieve financial success. But that means you need to work at it. So now that you have an idea of what passive income is, here are 12 ways you can make passive income online if you start right now. Number 1, write an ebook and publish it online. If you have the talent of storytelling, write an ebook on your laptop right now and have it self-published online. Places like Amazon will enable you to self-publish your ebook in the Kindle format. This puts your story in front of billions of users each day who are searching for the next bestseller. Self-publishing is the future of books. You don't even need any money to start. Many places like Amazon Publishing and Lulu Press offers print-on-demand publishing for those of you who want to convert your ebooks into paperback versions. You can sell them exclusively on Amazon or any online or offline retailers. So because a digital copy and print-on-demand options are available, you'll only need to invest in a laptop with a word processor to create your content. If you need to make any edits to your work, it's very easy since everything is right at your fingertips. The passive part is when you start selling. The work comes when you write and edit your story, so make sure it's great. Number 2, start a YouTube channel and monetize it. If you're someone who likes being in front of the camera or an animator wanting to tell a story, YouTube is the best place to capture a visual audience. You'll need to invest in a camera, animation software, a laptop, editing software, and several other stuff, but that depends on what your video is about and what you're creating. YouTube is free, and that makes it enticing already. The great thing is that YouTube has created thousands and thousands of millionaires and many more who derive their income as content creators. Yes, there's the obvious online advertising route where you place ads on your videos, but YouTube requires you have 4,000 hours of watch time and at least 1,000 subscribers to your channel. That's fine, but most YouTubers make their money through selling their own merchandise, sharing affiliate links, and or taking up sponsorships. Check the description of many channels and there's usually links to one of these money-making products. I have some in the links down below. This works great in creating great entertaining and informative content like this video. You create passive income every time someone watches your videos, sees your ads, or clicks on your products to buy. As long as that video is getting views, you're making money. Number 3, start a blog and monetize it. Just like starting a YouTube channel, starting a blog is for content creatives, but more on the writing side of things. If you love to write, take pictures, and share your passion, no other platform is better than starting a blog. This can be done anywhere, obviously as long as you have a laptop. For a blog to work, you'll need to write what you're passionate about and then stick to that topic. My blog is all about personal finance. It doesn't have to be super focused, but it does need to stay on topic. One of the best ways you can make passive income with a blog is through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, and promoting your own products or courses. It's similar to setting up a YouTube channel, but through a different lens. There are some investments you need to consider. One is a website, obviously. You don't need to skip out and get one that's free that doesn't require authority or trust with your audience as much as being self-hosted does compared to being hosted. I use Bluehost for my blog. It includes WordPress so I can write and format my content. Plus, they give you a free domain name for your first year since domain names aren't free. I'll post a link to Bluehost in the description down below if you want to check that out. Number 4, email marketing with affiliate links and products. Email marketing is one of the best ways you can market people online. Think about it. When you create content, it's not as personalized as email. Everybody checks their email at least once per day. Everyone has a unique email, and when they see your email inside, it speaks to them at a level more personal than a commercial or ad ever would. When someone subscribes to your email list, you have the legal right to market to them whatever you want for as long as you want until they unsubscribe. However, it's best you don't be spammy. It works when it comes in when you create a landing page that resonates with your audience. Usually giving them something for free like an ebook, checklist, or in exchange for an email works well. Once they're on your email list, you set up an email sequence that you've pre-written and scheduled to them automatically where it sends to your subscribers. Within these emails, you could tell a story or share something fascinating, combine this with your blog or YouTube channel, and link those websites to your email. Some affiliate programs allow you to place affiliate links within your emails so that if they click on them and make a purchase, you'll get a commission. You can even create a digital product to market directly to them. Imagine the process automating itself once you've done the work of setting everything up. That's passive income. The best email marketing software out there, in my opinion, is ConvertKit. They enable you to create beautiful landing pages and responsive emails, plus much more. I'll leave a link also in the description down below if you want to check them out. Number 5, create an online course. Online learning will be a $325 billion industry by 2025. A large chunk of that comes from creating online courses. If you have an expertise in something and you think people need help with that subject, you can create an online course for that. Even though information is plentiful and free online, millions of people still pay for online courses since all the necessary information is within that course. They're paying for the convenience of gathering that information in one place. Either through your own website or by hosting on Udemy or Skillshare, people are willing to pay to learn. If you do create your own online course, you can control the price, maybe charge as little as $10 to as much as $9,000 per course. It all depends on what you offer and how influential you are. The work comes in by drafting, filming, animating, and presenting your course in front of a camera or audio recording. Some courses are PDF files too. After that, people can start taking your course anytime they want. You just have to be there to make edits and updates if new information arises. Number 6, dropshipping and print on demand. For dropshipping and print on demand to work really well, you'll need a Shopify account. This is because Shopify has a few free plugins such as Audible for dropshipping and a bunch of other plugins for print on demand like Printify and Custom Can. These plugins enable you to automate your Shopify store so that you're able to make money passively while Audible and others do the processing, purchasing, and shipping of all your products. Dropshipping is essentially buying something from another website and listing it on your website at a marked up price. Someone buys from you, and after you've received their pay, you go to the other site and buy that discounted item, pocketing the difference. The best part is that Audible automates the process for you. They handle everything from putting the item listed onto your website and even buying and shipping the item for you. It works best with drop shipping vendors on AliExpress. Print on demand is similar to drop shipping, except you create your own products. It's best for those who have design work that can be put on apparel items mostly. You don't have to carry any inventory. You just need to create a design that's attractive to your customers. Companies like Printful and Custom Cat won't print or ship the items until you've made the purchase. Win-win. Number 7, become a social media influencer. In the age of social media, anyone can become a celebrity. That's good news for you. Even though it's technically not passive income since you must post almost every day, it's not that hard to do. If you're an aspiring model, create comedy sketches, or have awesome pictures you've taken, become a social media influencer is something to consider. Look at it this way. Most people are on social media posting things every single day. Most people do it for free. Why not get paid to post on Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat? Aside from the obvious work involved, there are several ways you can get paid. Affiliate marketing, selling your own stuff, and sponsorships. You can focus on one or do all of them. Affiliate marketing is simple. You post a picture of you with a product or service and then direct them to a link. If they make a purchase, you get a commission. You can also create a website like a Shopify store and model your brand or product in your social media feed. If people like what they see, you'll have a direct link directing them to your store. Sponsorships are where the big money is made. It's similar to affiliate marketing, but you're actually being paid by the company regardless of how many people are sent to their store. The larger your following, the more engaged they are, the more you'll get paid. Some Instagram influencers get paid thousands of dollars per post. Number 8, Twitter affiliate marketing. Sticking with the social media theme, Twitter is still a very popular platform. This is specifically true for those who love affiliate marketing. Since Twitter runs on hashtags, you can grow a following by posting microblogs that are tweets in length. There's an audience for that, and if you have a topic that's wildly popular, you can start sharing affiliate links. How long does a tweet take to post? Less than a minute if you already know what to say. If you keep a steady stream of content for your followers to like, comment, and share, you'll be able to start posting affiliate links to products or services you enjoy. Number 9, Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, it's a social media search engine based around photos and graphics that link to various websites known as pins. If Google is a search engine based on words, Pinterest is a search engine based on how appealing a pin looks. Pinterest is about 80% women, but many of the users are ready to buy and have a higher than average income. That's great for you if you want to make money. The work comes when you have to create the pin. I personally use Canva to create my pins. It's easy to use and it's free. I'll leave a link down below for that. You'll need to create a Pinterest business account, which is also free. If you have a blog, you can link your Pinterest to your blog and market your blog through there too. The best part of Pinterest is that your pins will stay relevant for months. Unlike tweets that go stale after a few minutes, pins can pop up on people's Pinterest feeds months after they're posted. Users can share your pins with their friends, and the compounding effect will mean people clicking on your pins. If you put affiliate link, that massive income per month is created. Make sure your pins are relevant to your affiliate link. If you're trying to promote a Gucci bag, for instance, your pin has to convey that fact. Number 10, create a digital product. Digital products have 3 major advantages compared with physical products. 1, you only need to create it once. 2, you don't need to hold any inventory. 3, you can ship them anywhere in the world immediately. Ebooks, guides, budget planners, photographs, digital paintings, online courses are examples of digital products. Whatever you can create on your computer, you can sell online. You'll obviously need to do the work and create these products, but once it's finished and perfected, you can sell it as many times as you like. There's even websites like Etsy, Craigslist, eBay, and even Shopify that can help you manage and automate the sales process. People are willing to buy digital products. It's convenient to them and they're able to receive it immediately. As we become more and more comfortable with doing things online, digital products will only become more profitable. Number 11, dividend investing. The last 10 topics have one thing in common, and that's that it takes no money to get started. Little to no money. Dividend investing is different and purposely put near the end because it will help you increase your income as you make more income. Let's say you created something that gives you passive income. Now what? Well, you can make even more money through investing, specifically dividend investing. Find well-known stocks like Coca-Cola or Walmart or an index such as the S&P 500. Make sure these stocks pay out a dividend. A dividend is a percentage of the stock price that is paid out several times during a given year, usually every quarter. For example, Coca-Cola stock pays out a 3.53% dividend per year. That's 0.88% dividend payout every quarter. Its stock price is around $46 per share. That means every quarter you get paid about 40 cents for every share you own. Investing doesn't mean much if you don't have a lot of money. That's why I recommend saving your money over time. Imagine you had $300,000 in AT&T. It pays out a 6.56% dividend. That's $19,000 in passive income just from holding the stock. Even better, if the stock price goes up, the payout increases as well. 6.5% of $31 is a different payout if the stock was $35 per share. Number 12, rent out your room with Airbnb. Last on this list is Airbnb. It's sort of online and sort of offline. Online in the sense that you can get short-term renters through an app. Even though the service is done away from the computer, this is probably one of the most passive ways you can make passive income. As long as you have a roof over your head, you can rent out a room or the whole place to people vacationing or just visiting. Depending on your location, you can make thousands of dollars each month welcoming guests into your home. Airbnb screens guests, makes them pay an incident deposit just in case they mess up your place. The only work you have to put is changing bed sheets and providing ample toilet paper. It's one of the easiest, quickest ways you can make passive income. So that's my 12 passive income ideas you can start online. Remember that passive income is only passive once you've got things going. That's why you should get going right now. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to like and share this video. I've also got a free budget guide for you down below where I show you how to save an extra $1,000 per month. Check out my other videos on personal finance, business, and investing. Until next time, I'm Kyle, and thanks for watching.